Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are now on our fourth game this Saturday. Kasama niyo pa rin po ako. I am Christine Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Mark Christian Amante para maghatid po sa inyo ng bakbakang ACC Green Serpents at Ateneo Golden Knights Juniors Division.
Ano kaya ang mangyayari ngayon, Tin, sa labanan nito ng Golden Knights at ang ating Green Serpents? Mabalikan lang natin yung laro kanina ng NCF Tigers at ng ACC Green Serpents sa Seniors Division na talaga namang bakbakan kung bakbakan din ang ating nakita at nasaksihan on that game.
Ayan nga, napakaganda nung laban natin kanina. Tingnan natin ngayon naman sa Ateneo at sa ating ACC Green Serpents kung ano nga ba yung ipapakita nila dito ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, mapapanood po tayo ng live sa Oragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga and Bucal Facebook page. Kaya sa ating mga team bahay, magpa-shoutout lamang po kayo dahil babasahin po natin yan maya-maya lamang. At
wag kakalimutan ng ating mga audiences na mag-follow at mag-like and mag-subscribe sa ating mga official Facebook pages, Oragon Sports TV, Bucal and One Media TV 48 Naga. And as of this moment, Tin, magsisimula na ang ating first quarter sa pagitan ng Ateneo Golden Knights at ng ACC Green Serpents on the Juniors Division.
Ayan na nga, nakilala na nga natin ng ating first five on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights as well as on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Kaya naman, abang-abang po kayo dahil magandang laban po ang ipapakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
Ano kaya magiging technique ng ating dalawang kupunan on this game this afternoon? Yan po ang ating masasaksihan.
Jump ball na tayo. First ball possession na pupunta sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents na on the run. Itong ating ACC. Now, jersey number 14 passes to 18. Now, on the other side for 3. That's the first 3 of the ACC Green Serpents. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Liz. Hi, Liz. Any updates?
This is the clash of armor and scales. A high-flying afternoon, Bicolandia. We are here live at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second round of elimination for Bucal Season 6 Men's Basketball Juniors Division. A battle between the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights and the ACC Junior Green Serpents. I am Christine Habala, your courtside correspondent, reporting from the bench of the blue and gold Ateneo Golden Knights. Now that we are about to enter to the second round of elimination, the Ateneo Golden Knights are more determined to bounce back after losing against the ACC Junior Green Serpents during the first round of the competition. They are more determined now to bounce back, and of course, according to the team captain of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, they plan to execute their defensive and offensive strategies with the aim to sweep the second round of the competition. With that, the question remains, will the ACC Green Serpents claim their back-to-back victory against the Ateneo Golden Knights, or will the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights claim their decisive victory and dominate the hardcourt? This is Bucal Season 6 for Future Rise. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update sa side ng ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Ano kaya ang ipapakitang defense at offense ng ating Junior Golden Knights for this round, Tin?
Ayan na nga. Now, dito sa ating first quarter, 3-pointers coming from the ACC Green Serpents pa. Yung ating meron dito, 3-0 nothing run. Now, the Ateneo on the run, jersey number 8, Bilano. Now passes to Claro. Now on the inside, heavily guarded here by the ACC's player. Now, back to jersey number 8. Now on the corner, JC Claro ngayon, may hawak ng bola on the inside. No good.
Para makahingi tayo, Tin, ng update mula sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents, let's have our courtside reporter, Ali. Ali, kamusta naman dyan?
Hi, Tin and Mark, and good afternoon once again, Bicolandia. The Junior Green Serpents are now ready to serve vengeance and solidify their standing here on Bucal Season 6 with a more intense pace and heart for the game. Despite their loss to the ACLC Hawks, their spirit and drive to win and to proudly wave the banner of the Serpents are relentless and unwavering, fueling their victory for today's matchup. The Junior Green Serpents are eager to stop their losses and clinch another champion title. This is Eliza Maid Contessa Respeto, the courtside resident of Amando Café College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 6, 1 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, hindi ka nang makakampiyon. Back to the time.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, itong ating ACC Green Serpents galing pa lang sa kanilang talo against the ACLC Naga. Kaya naman ngayon, they're really determined to get this win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And as we can see, we are tied on 3-all para dito sa ating first quarter.
At sabi nga kanina ng ating courtside reporter na si Ali, they must double their time on this round para makasungkit ng punto sa ating second round ng elimination.
Ayan nga, Mark, hindi nga nakuha ng ACC Seniors yung kanilang panalo kanina. And now, this is the chance of the ACC Juniors para makauwi ng panalo ngayong hapon. And back to the ballgame tayo. It's the Ateneo's basketball. Belano now passes to jersey number 14. A fadeaway shot, no good. Offensive rebound, wala pa rin para sa Ateneo. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now we have jersey number 18. That's Mayor. No good on that. And the ball possession will now remain to the Junior Golden Knights.
We only have 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Napakabilis lang ng ating oras ngayon. Now, Belano to inbound for the side of the Ateneo na passes to Sarmiento. Back to Belano. Sarmiento ngayon may hawak ng bola. 17 seconds to shoot on their side. Belano going inside. Pero a steal from the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ACC Green Serpents basketball. We have Mayor aiming for a point. That's good. That's courtesy of Madrona of the Green Serpents.
Ayan nga, Madrona, one of the key players of the ACC Juniors. Now, let's see what will the Ateneo do at this moment. Jersey number 9 tries for a tip 3 coming from Pentecostes. Napakaganda ng pagsimula ng first quarter natin dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Dikit yung laban natin, 6-5 on our scoreboard.
1 point lead.
Now, back to the Ateneo side. Belano passes now to jersey number 14. 18 seconds to shoot here. Belano, heavily guarded by the ACC men. Now, Sarmiento, long two, no good. JC Claro for a second chance, pero hindi pa naipasok yan.
And a whistle was given to a player of the ACC Green Serpents. Now we have on the free throw line, that's jersey number 15, Claro from the Junior Golden Knights. Kailangan humabol din ng ating ACC Green Serpents kahit na maaga pa ngayong first quarter.
Hindi nga dapat nila bitawan yung kalamangan na meron sila dito, because as we all know, the ACC Green Serpents have the capability to really turn this table on. Now, JC Claro still on the free throw line, 7-5.
Let's see kung makakapasok ang bola. That's no good.
Pero offensive rebound dito sa side ng Ateneo, and the foul was whistled again. So jersey number 17, Pilapil on the free throw line for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 7-5.
Naging advantage ngayon din ng Junior Golden Knights. Itong mga free throw shots na ibinibigay sa kanila because of the fouls na ginagawa ng ating Junior Green Serpents.
Yes, and now Pilapil on his second free throw. That's good, 2-on-2.
Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Mayor. Anong gagawin ng communication ng ating ACC Juniors? However, there's a steal from our Golden Knights. That's good. That's courtesy of jersey number 9. That's Pentecostes.
Now ACC on the run. Madrona ngayon. No good. Offensive rebound. Madrona again with the ball. Now 12 seconds to shoot. Passes to jersey number 6, Alicando. Madrona for 3. Wala pa rin. Now a chance for the Ateneo to take on the lead again.
Now, we have jersey number 12. Passes to jersey number 2, Bautista. Grabe, yung depensa ang pinapakita ng ating ACC Juniors.
Nakuha na nga nila yung bola. Madrona now going inside. No good. And jersey number 17 with that rebound now. Sarmiento passes on the corner. Back to Sarmiento. Grabe yung depensa pinapakita dito ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 2. A whistled foul.
And the ball will still remain sa ating Junior Golden Knights at this moment. Now we have 11-5 on our scoreboard. Lamang ng 6 na puntos ang ating Junior Golden Knights.
Now Bautista to inbound with 14 seconds to shoot here for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 11-5, 3 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Now Bautista passes to Pentecostes. Back to Bautista. Now 10 seconds to shoot here. Bautista nahihirapan dito. Passes to JC Claro, nasa baba.
That's good. Now ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Mayor. Aiming for a point. And that's no good.
Now with that height advantage of JC Claro, talagang sinisecure niya dito yung kanilang mga rebounds. Now jersey number 17 Pilapil to Sarmiento. Sarmiento ngayon to Bautista. 10 seconds to shoot. Pero an offensive foul on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So turnover para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Grabe yung point advantage ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights on this quarter. Sa unang quarter pa lang, 10. Grabe yung kalamangan ng ating Junior Golden Knights with 8 points.
Now no good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ateneo with an 8-point lead here. Chance to double that lead. Now Bautista. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to JC Claro again. A whistled foul and he will be back on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
Asset sa quarter na to ng ating Junior Golden Knights si Claro.
Dahil nga yung kanyang height talaga dito, nakikipagbakbakan siya doon sa loob. And of course, with that rebound and defense, talagang malaking tawag dito, parang ito si Claro, isa sa mga big man itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Kailangan na kailangan siya sa loob to really have that good defense on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
At sinusuong niya talaga yung challenge na ibinibigay ng ating ACC Juniors.
Yes, now it's the ACC's basketball.
Now we have again Mayor. Passes to jersey number 14, Madrona.
Now Mayor passes to jersey number 17, going inside. No good.
Pero nagkakagawan din ang bola.
Medyo nahihirapan itong ating ACC sa offense nila dito sa ating first quarter. At napapalaki na nga ng Ateneo yung kanilang kalamangan by 10 points. Now Bautista, a 3-pointer coming from him. Yan na nga, Mark. Because of that, napatawag ng timeout itong ating ACC Green Serpents. 18-5. 13-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents.
Grabe, ang taas ng kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights on this quarter with 2 minutes and 3 remaining on our first quarter. Unang quarter pa lang ito, grabe ang ipinapakita ng dalawang koponan natin ngayong hapon.
Yes, on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, napakaganda kasi yung communication nila sa loob talagang nag-work talaga. But on the other side, the ACC Green Serpents, kailangan pa nilang gawa ng paraan yung kanilang opensa dito dahil medyo talagang nakukulangan tayo sa ipinapakita ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero sabi nga natin kanina, nagsisimula pa lang naman tayo sa ating bakbakang Ateneo and ACC. So let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the ACC Green Serpents para makakuha ng puntos at maibaba yung 13-point lead ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
Kumbaga hindi pa nagiinit ang mga players ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents at this moment. Now we are back on the ball game with 18-5 on our scoreboard. Now ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. They need to aim a point here sa ating quarter para mas makahabol sa ating Junior Golden Knights. However, a steal coming from our Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Bautista passes now to jersey number 39, but a whistled foul there. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
At medyo delikado na dito ang ACC Green Serpents because they are on the penalty situation.
Now, Bautista on the free throw line. No good at that first attempt. And at this point, the ACC Green Serpents, hindi na dapat nila palakihin pa yung kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo dahil mahihirapan talaga silang humabol if ever man na mas lumaki pa yung kalamangan ng Ateneo dito sa ating first quarter.
At makikita natin yan on our game this afternoon. Now, ACC Green Serpents basketball. We have Mayor. Passes to Bongon. Bongon passes to Vargas. Aiming for 3. No good on that. And the ball will still remain sa ating ACC Junior Green Serpents because of that whistle foul coming from a player of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Now ACC's basketball. And a steal! A back-to-back steal coming from the two teams. Wow, grabe yung action yung pinapakita ng ating Ateneo at ng ACC Green Serpents this afternoon dito sa Adnu Gymnasium.
Now, offensive rebound on the side of the Ateneo. Wala pa rin. Now, Pilapil still have that ball. Pass to Bautista for a 3 points. No good. Pero whistle foul there.
A foul was given to jersey number 17. That's Pilapil of the Junior Golden Knights. Now the ball will turn over to our Junior Green Serpents.
Now jersey number 9, Vidal to inbound. Now passes to Mayor. Now on the inside para dito sa ACC. Big man yung nakabantay dito.
Grabe yung depensa ng ating Junior Golden Knights on that moment.
Now Ateneo still on the lead with the last 30 seconds of the first quarter. Now passes. Nagkakaagawan dito but still on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Serrano on the run. Penalty na nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents.
At tatawagan ng foul ang player ng Junior Golden Knights. Kaya magkakaroon ng 2 free throw shots rather, ang ating ACC Junior Green Serpents. We have jersey number 5, Serrano, on the free throw line. That's no good. Now, ball possession ng ating Junior Golden Knights.
Now Abiol. Last 10 seconds of the first quarter. Passes to Bautista for 3. No good. Now the ACC with the 4 seconds remaining. Now on the run, jersey number 17. And that's the end of our first quarter. 19-6 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We will be back for our more action second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Tayo po ay nagbabalik sa bakbakan ng Ateneo Junior Golden Knights at ACC Junior Green Serpents dito sa Adnu Gymnasium for the second quarter. 19-6 po ang iniwan nating score within the first quarter. Now, meron agad unang foul ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights sa 9 minutes and 39 seconds ng ating laro this second quarter.
Yan nga, Mark, yung ating first quarter, napakaganda para sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights with their offense as well as the defense na medyo nahirapan nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents para mag-adjust doon dahil nga napakalaki ng height advantage nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, kaya naman medyo nahihirapan itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero let's see if mababawi ba nila yung ating second quarter of the game. Now it's the ball possession again of the ACC Green Serpents.
Let's see, Tin, kung may communication na magaganap. May bagong communication or strategy na magaganap sa ating ACC Junior Green Serpents. And on that point, Tin, nadagdagan ng 2 puntos ang kuponan ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and another 2 points was added on their team. 19-12 at napatawag nga, Tin, ng timeout ang ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, sunod-sunod nga yung puntos na nagawa dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, and we're just talking about it na dito sa ating second quarter, meron chances na itong ating ACC talagang aarangkada, and we can see that dahil naibaba na nga po sa 7 points itong kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At titinan pa natin kung ano pa yung gagawin ng ACC Green Serpents dito para mas maipababa pa yung kalamangan ng Ateneo. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Ali. Hi Ali, any updates?
Well, thank you, Mark and Tin. First quarter of today's matchup between the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights went by quickly, with the Serpents trying to find their rhythm inside the hard court. During the huddle, the coaches emphasized to not waste this opportunity to showcase their undeniable talents. In this matchup, the Serpents came prepared, so they must put aside the pressure and continue hustling hard. Communication is a must in order to secure their win for today's matchup. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali, for that update sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. They should double their time at para makalamang sa ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights on this quarter.
Now, let's see. As the Ateneo still on the lead dito sa ating second quarter. Now, it's their ball possession. Now, Sarmiento with the ball on the side of the Ateneo. Heavily guarded here. Now, jersey number 14, double team dito. Babalik dito kay Sarmiento ang bola. 10 seconds to shoot.
Nakikita mo yung improvement ng ACC Green Serpents on their defense this quarter.
Yes.
Talagang ayaw nilang malamangan ng ating Junior Golden Knights. At para naman makahingi tayo din ng update mula sa side ng ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights, let's have our courtside reporter, Liz. Liz, what's the update?
Mark and Teen, as the first quarter tips off, the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are bringing their A game. Their performance shows that they are more than ready to bounce back against the ACC Junior Green Serpents. Now, during the first 7 minutes of the game, Kurt Pentecostes scored 8 points into the basket. During the huddle, Coach Mac reminded the Knights to stay relaxed, and most especially in passing, as it would affect their strategies and the ball game. And now they are more than ready to dominate the second quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the Courtside. Back to you, Market.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan nga, relax lang para dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And Pentecostes having an 8 points doon sa ating first quarter. Isa talaga siya sa mga nagbigay talaga dito ng depensa as well as the offense sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And now, 10 nga muli ang kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ating Ateneo. And jersey number 9 of the ACC, Vidal, on the free throw line. That's good para doon sa kanyang unang free throw.
Sabi nga kanina ng ating courtside reporter na si Liz, grabe yung advantage ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights on this game this afternoon sa pagitan ng ating ACC Juniors. Pero tignan natin, Tin, kung makahabol or maibababa ang kalamangan nitong Junior Golden Knights ng ating ACC Juniors.
Yes, now Sarmiento passes now to Belano. Belano ngayon. Babalik kay jersey number 5. Now with 9 seconds to shoot, papasok sa loob. Fadeaway shot, no good. No ACC.
Now we have jersey number 18. That's Mayor. Mayor to Bongon. Bongon going the ball back. Aiming for 3. No good on that.
Sayang yun para doon sa ACC. Now, Ateneo. Sarmiento. Pero, medyo nadulas doon sa kamay ni Solomon. So, another turnover for the ACC. And with this, it's an opportunity para dito sa ating Green Serpents para mas maibaba itong 8 puntos na kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
And malaking tulong ba yung substitution na ginawa dito in this quarter?
Now, jersey number 9 of the ACC passes to Mayor. Tries for 3. No good. Ito yung nahihirapan itong ating ACC. Kanina pa sila try on the offense side. Pero hindi pa rin nakukuha nila yung kanilang momentum.
Let's see.
Mula on the other side, the Ateneo still dominating this quarter. Nasa baba, pero hindi pa naipasok yan. But another whistle foul there.
And the ball will still remain sa ating Junior Golden Knights. And another substitution was made sa side ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents.
Solomon to inbound down for the side of the Golden Knights. 6 minutes and 57 seconds remaining.
Aiming for 3. No good on that. Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. Mga sabi mo din kanina, grabe yung pag-try nila ng 3 para mas lalong makalamang at mas lalong mahabol ang ating Junior Golden Knights. Pero mukhang kinakapos pa ang ating Green Serpents.
Now Solomon or Sarmiento passes now to jersey number 9 on the inside. Wala pa rin. Pero chasing Claro with that second chance point. And a chance for a 3-point play here. 24-14. Back to 10-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating Neo Golden Knights.
Grabe yung ginagawang point ng ating ni jersey number 15, si JC Claro from the Junior Golden Knights. Grabe yung tulong niya sa kanyang team for this quarter.
Now we only have 6 minutes and 19 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half. JC Claro, bonus free throw, that's good.
Now ACC's basketball. We have jersey number 14, Madrona. No good on that offensive rebound. But a steal from the Junior Golden Knights.
Now Sarmiento passes to jersey number 9 for 3. JC Claro with that rebound. Now passes to Sarmiento. 10 seconds to shoot here. Back to Sarmiento. Ano kaya yung gagawin ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights? Now Sarmiento on the corner para dito kay jersey number 8. Belano for that strong 3 points.
Grabe. Yan yung dapat yan yung hinihintay natin sa ating ACC Green Serpents at this moment. But going back to the ball game, aiming for 3. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 9. That's Vidal of the Junior Green Serpents.
Yes, yun yung kailangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At ayan, another steal on their side. Madrona naman, titira, no good. Offensive rebound on their side. Jersey number 5, Serrano ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Madrona, now on the corner. Tries.
No good again. They are trying and trying. 10. However, a steal from the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights was made now.
Jersey number 9 again.
No good. Grabe yung eagerness ng ating ACC Green Serpents as of the moment para makahabol sa 28 points ng ating Junior Golden Knights.
Now, ball possession again of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 28-17. We only have 4 minutes and 29 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Pentecostes ngayon to inbound. Back to Pentecostes. Now Amador. Long pass here para kay Belano. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Golden Knights. Belano, what will he do right now? Passes on the inside. JC Claro.
Wow! Grabe talaga to si Claro, no? Mula nung first quarter hanggang sa mga moment na ito, malaki ang naging tulong niya para magkaroon ng 30 points ang Ateneo Junior Golden Knights.
Yes, with his height advantage and strong build, talagang isa talaga siya sa pinagkakatiwalaan dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, and he really gives his all when it comes to playing basketball. Dahil nga dyan, 13 points na kalamangan ng hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 10, Iblogin, Tumadrona. 5 seconds to shoot here. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 6. Mauubusan na ng oras ng ACC, and with that, natawagan na nga ng 24 seconds violation itong ating ACC Green Surface na kailangan nilang iwasan at this moment dahil napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan ng ating Ateneo.
Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. However, a whistle coming from our official was made to jersey number 6. That's Alicando of the ACC Junior Green Serpents.
Now, Ateneo's basketball. Pentecostes to inbound. 30-17.
We have 3 minutes and 36 remaining on our second quarter. Let's see if iikot ba ang gulong ng palad ng ating ACC Green Serpents for the remaining minutes in this second quarter.
Now Belano with the ball. Passes on the inside. Pilapil nasa loob. Now passes here. No good. Second chance. Wala pa rin.
Now ACC Green Serpents basketball. Mayor to Bongon. Bongon to Mayor. Aiming for 3. No good on that.
Ayan nga, nahihirapan ng ACC sa opensa ngayon sa ating second quarter. While on the other side, the Ateneo still enjoying this. Pentecostes, no good on that 3-point attempt.
Now Madrona for the 2-point shot.
Ito na dapat yung gagawing advantage ngayon ng ACC dahil medyo nahihirapan ngayon yung ating Ateneo na makakuha ng puntos. And kailangan na talaga mag-step up itong ating ACC Green Serpents if they really wanted to lessen that gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights dahil 11 points na lamang po ang hinahabol ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
And let's see kung mababawasan pa yan on this game now. ACC's basketball. Mayor to Madrona. That's good! That's a 2-point shot courtesy of Bongon of the ACC Juniors.
But one of the players of the Ateneo, Amador, for jersey number 4. 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. It's still the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents.
Huwag dapat sayangin ito, partner, ng ating ACC Green Serpents dahil 9 na puntos na lang ang kailangan nilang mahabol on this quarter. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights basketball.
Pero offensive foul yun na itawag dito kay Briones ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, the ACC, siyam ang hinahabol ngayon. And at this point, they have the opportunity na mas maibawa pa ito. Madrona throws it, no good. Defensive rebound on the side of the ACC. Jersey number 10.
No good on that. Now, Ateneo's basketball. Let's see kung itataas pa nila ulit ang kalamangan ng kanilang team.
Now Abiog. Passes on the inside. Sarmiento to Pilapil. Pero wala pa rin. And the ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Mukhang nahihirapan yung dalawang team natin at this moment din, no? Na magkaroon ng puntos because of the great defense and offense ng ating both teams. And we have 1 minute and 23 remaining on our second quarter.
Nine-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now it's still the ball possession of the Ateneo.
We have jersey number 3 to inbound. However, a steal from the ACC Juniors was made and a back-to-back steal. Grabe.
Now Pilapil.
A steal again from our ACC Green Serpents. Bongon. No good on that.
Now Sarmiento, 44 seconds remaining for our first half. Passes to Bautista. Now Pilapil na yan, may hawak ng bola. Loses it. Now, Mayor D. Direction getting that point. Fast break coming from the ACC Green Serpents, and with that, napatawag na nga ng timeout dito. 30-23 with only 34 seconds remaining. 7 puntos na lamang po ang hawak ng Ateneo at naibaba na nga ng ating ACC Green Serpents bago po magtapos itong ating first half.
Let's see, Tin, kung anong gagawin na strategy na communication na ating Ateneo Junior Golden Knights para maitaas ulit ang kalamangan ng kanilang kupunan o mahabol pa ba ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights with 7 points.
Now let's see. Dahil napakaganda nga nung ipinapakitang performance dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Well, on the other side, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, maganda din na paunti-unti nakukuha na nila yung kanilang momentum dito bago pa magtapos ang ating second quarter. And ito yung kailangan nila bago pa or kailangan lang manatili dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. 30-23.
Saan ba mapupunta ngayon, Tin, ang swerte? Sa Ateneo ba or sa ACC? Now back to the ball game. No good on that.
Now it's still the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 30-23 remaining time para dito sa ating first half. 33 seconds. Now Abiog with the ball. Passes to Bautista. 18 seconds to shoot on their side. Bautista ngayon taking up their time. Passes here. Back to Bautista. Ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng Golden Knights? Now, jersey number 5 on the corner para dito kay Abiog. Mid-range jumper. No good.
Now ACC's basketball with 5 seconds remaining. Mayor, no good on that. And that ends our first half of the game. 30-23 ang ating nasa talaan. Lamang po ng 7 puntos ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil magbabalik po kami for the second half of this game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence in service with us.
We are back on the ball game for our third quarter of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. At ang ating puntos nga po, 30-23. 7-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
That's a good three from jersey number 8. That's Belano of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Grabe. Unang minuto pa lang ng ating third quarter, pinaulan na tayo ng 3 nitong si Belano.
Yes, Mark, doon nga sa ating first half nitong ating laro. Maganda na sana yung before matapos itong ating second quarter para sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Pero ngayon na naman mukhang napapabayaan ulit ng ACC Green Serpents yung kanilang depensa against the Ateneo Golden Knights na kailangan maging consistent sila. Because as we can see right now, 10-point lead muli yung hawak ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights at meron pa tong chances na mas mapalaki pa ng Ateneo Golden Knights. So the ACC Green Serpents kailangan nilang doubling effort para mas maibaba yung kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
At ang Ateneo Golden Knights dapat wag magpakampante din natin on this moment dahil pwede pa yan malamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Dahil we have 9 minutes and 25 on our clock. Medyo mahaba pa. Ang haba pa ng oras natin for our third quarter.
Now Mayor with the ball on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, passes to Madrona. Now jersey number 17, Bongon. Mayor passes to Madrona. Bongon ngayon. No good on that three-point attempt.
Now, Ateneo Golden Knights basketball. They want to aim for another point, but no good on that now. ACC's basketball. Now we have jersey number 7, Vargas. Vargas, naghahanap ng kakampi. Bringing the ball back to Vargas. Aiming for the 3, no good on that.
Hanggang ngayon, nahihirapan pa rin yung ating ACC Green Serpents sa kanilang opensa.
Dahil nakita naman natin kanina yung depensa na ginagawa ng ating Junior Golden Knights para hindi magkaroon o madagdagan ng puntos ng ating ACC Juniors.
Now 15 seconds on the shot clock of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 8 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Now, steal from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Madrona ngayon, nagmamadali. That's good. Basket count with a foul.
Yan yung dapat na gawin ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents on this moment para makahabol dito sa kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights.
Yes, and of course, Mark, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gloffa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Café, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated.
Maraming salamat po sa ating mga generous sponsors for this Bucal Season 6. Now, that's good for the ACC Green Serpents. 35-28 ang nating nasa talaan at naibaba din sa ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And para makarinig tayo ng update sa side ng ating Junior Golden Knights, we have our courtside reporter, Liz. Liz, what's the update?
We are now in the second half of the game. The second quarter ended with a big point margin lead in favor of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. During the second quarter, the Serpents were countering with their trademark zone defense, aiming to disrupt the Knights' shooting rhythm, most especially when the team was putting on a shooting clinic, showcasing their precision. Now that we are in the third quarter, the Ateneo Golden Knights, though leading, need to strengthen their defensive strategies and execute zone properly. They also need to keep an eye to the big man of the Junior Serpents and stay focused to dominate the next quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the courtside. Back to you, Mark and Tia.
Thank you so much, Liz. Ayan, mag-focus nga itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights on the zone defense. And still, magre-relax pa rin sila dito. Pero with relaxation plus communication inside the court yung kailangan ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Because at this moment, meron na lamang 7 na puntos na kalamangan ang meron sila ngayon. Now, it's their ball possession. Now, a three-pointer, in and out ball. Pero nasa baba dyan si JC Claro para makipag-agawan ng bola against the ACC Green Serpents.
At ano kayang gagawin na bagong strategy, offense at depensa ng ating ACC Green Serpents at this moment? At para makahingi tayo ng update mula sa ating side ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents, let's have our courtside reporter, Ali. Ali, what's the update?
Well, thank you, Mark and Tin. A sure offense starts with a good defense, a mantra that the Serpents try to uphold in all their games. So Coach Badong continuously reminded the boys to play your maximum effort in defense and maintain the energy that they run. In this matchup, they must play with heart and might, considering that their opponent has the height advantage. Have the confidence to go to the rim and get a basket. Sipagan at walang mapapagod. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pakipagbakbakan dito ng ACC Green Serpents kontra sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At kahit medyo malaki nga yung kalamangan dito ng Golden Knights, talagang gagawa ng paraan ng ACC Green Serpents para mabawasan yan and to give a good fight for this third quarter. Now,
sabi nga niyan, Tin, kanina ng ating Courtside reporter na si Ali from the ACC Juniors, sipagan nila at dapat wag silang mapapagod para mahabol ang kalamangan na 90 puntos ng ating Golden Knights. Now, back to the ball game.
ball possession of the Ateneo. Pilapil fade away, no good. Now, chance for the ACC to lessen that gap of the Ateneo. Bocon passes now to Mayor. Madrona for 3.
No good on that. Now, ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We have jersey number 2. That's Bautista. Bautista, naghahanap ng kakampi.
10 seconds to shoot here. Sarmiento passes on the inside. JC Claro, no good.
Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. We have a Bongon. No good on that.
Ang daming opportunity dito sa side ng ACC Green Serpents pero hindi nila nagagawa ng paraan. And they really need to double their effort now because we're halfway through our third quarter. Now, Pilapil loses that ball. Mayor ngayon may hawak ng bola. Diretso sa loob. JC Claro was there. Pero jersey number 5, Serrano. What a good assist on their side.
Grabe. Bumabawi na ang ating ACC Junior Green Serpents. 37-30 po ang ating nasa talaan. 7 puntos ang kalamangan na habulin ng ating Green Serpents.
Three-pointer, no good. JC Claro with that rebound. Pilapil going inside. No whistled foul there. Tatawagan nga ng foul.
Si jersey number 18 from the side. Now, a couple of substitution was made to both teams.
Four minutes and 41 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Now it's the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Abiog to inbound. Now passes to Briones, now to Bautista. 9 seconds to shoot here. Bautista papasok sa loob, no good.
Now, ACC Green Serpents basketball, libreng-libre. But, no good on that.
Now, Abiog may hawak ng bola. Grabe na yung defense na pinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kupunan. Pilapil going inside. The ball was there on the side of the Golden Knights with the remaining shot clock. 14 seconds.
Grabe, pinapakita na nila. Nandito na sila sa momentum ng larong ito because we have 14 minutes and 13 remaining on our third quarter. At dito natin malalaman din kung talagang mahabol ng ating ACC Green Serpents ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Pero mabilisan lang yun doon sa side ng Ateneo. Pilapil with that point. Now, whistle foul again. Mark, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers sa ating Facebook page kay Bibeth Mayor, Lander Cariaga, Alexander James, at kay Marniana Berido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay para sa ating matchup ng Ateneo and ACC Green Serpents.
At gusto ko lang batiin ang aking mga kabarangay dyan na happy fiesta po sa inyo dyan sa Housing to Montserrat.
Yes, and of course, kakatapos lang din ng ating Peña Friendship Fiesta last week. So, sana po nag-enjoy kayo. And now, gawin niyo pong pampalipas oras itong panonood po ng ating Bucal Season 6 dahil napakaganda ng mga match-up na hatid po natin.
At i-like and follow din po ninyo ang ating mga social media pages, Bucal, One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV para sa mga aksyon dito sa Bucal Season 6.
And now, back to the ball game. Mayor, no good. Now, rebound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights here. Abiog passes to Pilapil. Pilapil going inside. But a whistled foul. 39-30. 9-point lead of the
Grabe yung pinapakitang depensa na ngayon natin ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Ayaw na talaga nilang palamangan ang ating Golden Knights. No good on that shot. Now ACC's basketball. That's good. Courtesy of jersey number 14, Madrona.
Yes, ito yung kailangan ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now jersey number 5, Yap, diretso, no good. Now chance for the ACC. Madrona loses that. Pero turnover nga para dito sa Ateneo. Sayang yun na chance na sana sa ACC Green Serpents para mas maipababa pa yung kalamangan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights.
But on the other side din, ball possession ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Abiog. Grabe yung guardia ng ACC Green Serpents kay Abiog kanina. That's no good.
In and out ball, sayang yun. Now, Ateneo on the run. 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Abiog ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Passes to Pilapil. 12 seconds to shoot for the Ateneo. Pilapil heavily guarded here by jersey number 11. Now passes to Abiog on the inside. Now 2 seconds.
No good on that. Now going back to the ACC's basketball. Kailangan nilang bumawi at kailangan nilang makapuntos sa mga panahong ito. No good on that. Napasobra yung hagis si jersey number 11.
Now Pilapil. The Ateneo still stuck on 39. Back to Pilapil with 10 seconds to shoot here. Yap. Gagawa ng paraan dito. Heavily guarded. Passes now to Briones. Pilapil going inside. Pasok pa yan para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
At naibalik din sa 10 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now,
chance again for the Ateneo to widen that gap against the ACC. Pilapil, no good.
Now, ACC's basketball. Kailangan ng sipagan ng ating Green Serpents on this moment. And on that cue, that will add on their point.
Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito. 41-34. 7-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And we only have a minute and 12 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Pero yun nga, palit-palitan lang ng puntos itong ating Ateneo and ACC. Pero yung kailangan ngayon ng ACC is magdoble effort dahil nga makikita natin na itong Ateneo hindi din talaga nagpapatalo. And with their defense and height advantage, ito yung hawak ngayon ng Golden Knights kontra sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
And on the other hand, Tin, ang ACC Green Serpents kailangan magdoble sipag, doble effort on this quarter dahil naibaba na nila ulit sa 8 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights.
Yes, gawin na nila tong opportunity para mas grabehan yung kanilang depensa as well as the offense. Kasi kung makikita natin yung offense dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents, kahit napakaganda ng kanilang communication, hindi nila na-execute ng tama. And they really need it at this moment dahil patapos na nga tayo sa third quarter at papunta na tayo sa ating fourth and last quarter. So the ACC Green Serpents hindi na dapat magpakampante dito at ibigay na yung lahat ng laro nila against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And we're back to the ball game. Now we have on the free throw line jersey number 14. That's Madrona. That's good. Naibaba sa 7 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights. At 10, pareho na silang nasa penalty situation sa mga oras na ito.
Now, chance for the Ateneo now. Passes. Oh, still over the side of the ACC. Madrona ngayon, nagmamadali dito. Tries and that's good.
Wow!
Ito yung hinihintay ng mga fans ng ACC Green Serpents. And kailangan lang nilang mag-stick sa ganitong offense and defense. And another steal from the side of the ACC as Madrona get that ball.
Grabe.
One.
Mas lalo nang binababa ang kalamangan nitong Golden Eyes ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents. But a whistle was given to jersey number 14, that's Solomon of the Junior Golden Eyes.
Yes, 4 na puntos na lamang nga ang hinahanap dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Madrona on the free throw line for 2 shots.
Let's see. That's good. Pababa ng pababa ang kalamangan ng ating Golden Knights. And let's see kung magbabago ba or mapupunta ba ang swerte sa kanilang koponan.
We only have 36 seconds remaining on our third quarter. Madrona 2-on-2. Just a free throw line na yan. 41-39, only 2 points. Napakaganda na nung laban natin ngayon dito bago pa magtapos ng ating third quarter. Now, it's the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito? Adjustment dahil nakuha na nga ng ating ACC Green Serpents itong pagbaba ng puntos ng Ateneo. Now, Sarmiento passes to Belano. With only 30 seconds remaining on our third quarter, Belano papasok sa loob. JC Claro.
No good on that. At tinawagan ng pushing foul si jersey number 17 of the ACC Junior Green Serpents. Kaya magkakaroon ng 2 free throws ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We have Claro on the free throw line. No good on that. 2 puntos na lang din ang kailangang habulin ng ating ACC Green Serpents on our third quarter with 23.86 seconds remaining. That's good.
3 points ang hawak ng Ateneo. Now chance for the ACC Green Serpents. Bongon na passes to Madrona for 3.
No good. Now Ateneo's basketball. Kailangan nilang maging consistent sa galaw nila na ipinakita ng first at second quarter. Pero parang nag-iiba yung hangin at this moment, and that ends then our third quarter of this game. 42-39, 3-point lead ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Grabe. Iba yung pinapakita ng ating dalawang koponan, and we will be back for the fourth and last quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are back here sa Adnu Gymnasium sa tapatang Ateneo Golden Eyes at ACC Green Serpents sa Juniors Division ng ating Bucal Season 6. We are on the fourth and last quarter. 42-39 po ang ating iniwan ng ating third quarter.
Now, basketball of the Ateneo Golden Knights, they have the chance here para mas makuha yung kalabangan nila against the ACC Green Serpents. Sarmiento on the inside. Napakagandang assist coming from JC Claro.
Talagang bumabawi natin ang ating Junior Golden Eyes on this quarter. Dahil mukhang nakakahabol na talaga ang ating ACC Green Serpents at this moment. Now on the three, no good on that. But a offensive rebound, no good again.
A chance for the Ateneo here. Daming opportunities sa side ng ACC. 44-39. 5-point lead of the Ateneo. Sarmiento ngayon may hawak ng bola. Now, munti ka nang mawala sa side ng Ateneo. 8 seconds to shoot here. Now, jersey number 14, Solomon, going inside. Now, tries. No good.
No good on that. Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At para makahingi tayo ng update mula sa side ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents, let's have our courtside reporter, Ali. Ali, what's the update?
Well, thank you, Tin and Mark. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup with the Serpents effectively slithering this ball game. During the huddle, the boys were commended for their effective defense and communication inside the hard court. They were also reminded to trust the team and their teammates, neglect the pressure and relax. This is the time to go all out. Well, that's the update here on the side of the Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga yung sabi dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Mag-relax lang and trust the process. And of course, magandang teamwork para dito sa mga players ng ACC Green Serpents to really get this fourth quarter dahil 2 puntos na lamang nga yung hinahabol dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And at this point, yung ball possession nga muli ay mapupunta sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So they have the chance here to tie the game against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And on the other side, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito para palaki pa yung kalamangan nila at para makikita yung update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's hear it from the Silas. Any updates?
Mark and Dean, we are now in the last quarter of the game. The battle is slowly getting neck and neck as both teams are determined to clinch their win in the first game of the second round of elimination. The Golden Knights were consistent in dominating the quarters, yet it seems that the Green Serpents are exploiting the gap and capitalizing on the Knights' turnovers. During the huddle, Coach Mac encouraged the Knights to remain composed, huwag magmamadali at ibuhos na ang lahat ngayong quarter. That's it for the latest happenings here at the Courtside. This is your Courtside correspondent, Istina Bala, reporting from the bench of the Blue and Gold Ateneo Golden Knights.
Thank you so much, Liz, for an update sa side ng ating Junior Golden Knights. Ibuhos na ang lahat sa quarter na to according to Coach Mag of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Tignan natin, Tin, kung talagang ibubuhos na ng ating players from that team ang lahat-lahat para malamangan itong ating ACC Green Serpents dahil as of this moment, we are locked to 44 score.
Yes, 44 all na nga tayo dito and we only have 6 minutes and 59 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. And pag ganito na, Mark, talagang todo bigay na itong ating dalawang kupunan dahil mahihirapan na silang makalayo ng puntos. So the Ateneo, what will they do now? Dahil maganda na yung depensa ay pinapakita ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Pentecostes with the ball. Passes to JC Caro going inside. That's good. May pentance pa dun sa bola.
Oo. Now, ACC's basketball. Mayor. Nakikipag-communicate sa kanyang members. Aiming for 2 but no good on that. And a whistle was given to jersey number 15. Now, mabibigyan ng 2 free throw shot ang ating ACC Green Serpents. We have a Mayor on the free throw line. And that's good. Abangan po ninyo ang susunod na laro. That's Biscas versus USI. Mamaya-maya po yan after the game of Ateneo and ACC.
Now, ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Golden Knights basketball, however, Turnover was made. Now, ACC na ngayon ang may hawak ng ating basketball. Mayor nakikipag-communicate sa kanyang kagrupo. That's good! Courtesy of jersey number 5, Serrano of the ACC.
Yes, Mark. And at this moment, nakuha na nga ng ating ACC Green Serpents ang kalamangan. 2 puntos,
Wow.
pero great opportunity and a chance for the ACC Green Serpents to turn back the table. Now, Sarmiento passes now to jersey number 17, Pilapil. Pero whistle foul there.
Talagang sinipagan naman talaga ng ating ACC players ang kanilang laro for this quarter. At lamang na nga ng 2 puntos ang kanilang koponan.
Yes. 5 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Now GC Claro will be on the free throw line. And he have a chance here to tie the game. If ever man na makapasok itong kanilang mga free throw. And very crucial na kasi we're halfway through our final quarter. And hindi pa din natin alam, will it be the ACC or the Ateneo Golden Knights that will go home with a win this afternoon?
Let's see for this game. Dikit na dikit talaga po ang laban ng ating Ateneo at ACC now. Claro for that last free throw shot. No good on that. Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Yes, hindi na naipasok ni JC Claro yung kanyang 2 free throw, which is very crucial for the Ateneo Golden Knights now dahil sila yung nagkahabol.
No good on that.
Now, Belano, heavily guarded here by the ACC.
Nakikita mo din yung depensang ipinapakita ng ating ACC Green Serpents sa mga oras na ito. Talagang tigas kung tigas, sipag kung sipag ang ginagawa ng ating mga Green Serpents.
Now it's still the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Pentecostas now to inbound. Now passes to Belano. Back to Pentecostas with just 10 seconds to shoot on their team. Now JC Claro di diretso but no good.
Now ACC's basketball pero napasobra ng hagis. On that moment now, ball possession ng ating Golden Knights.
Sayang yon para dun sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, with this, chance for the Ateneo, Belano. 15 seconds to shoot here. Going inside, tries, no good. Pero whistle foul there. So Belano will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Chance for the Ateneo here to tie the game against the ACC Green Serpents.
At tinawagan ng foul si jersey number 17 of the ACC Green Serpents. That's Bongon. Now we have jersey number 8, Belano on the free throw line. That's good! At naibaba sa 1 puntos ang kalamangan ng ating ACC.
Yes, and Belano on his second free throw to tie the game against the ACC. That's good, and we are tied again on 48-all. And with that, another timeout was called on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 4 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Napakaganda mark ng laro natin pagpasok ng ating 4th quarter dahil nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents kung kanina napakalaki ng kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights, pero ngayon nagawa nila ng paraan and making it tie against the Ateneo Golden Knights bago pa man magtapos itong ating 4th quarter. So, hindi natin alam, will it be the ACC Green Serpents or the Ateneo Golden Knights?
Kasi medyo mahaba-haba pati ng ating oras. We have 4 minutes and 46 on the last and 4th quarter of this game. Kaya wala pa tayo sa conclusion kung sino ba talaga ang mananalo sa laban na ito.
Yes, so Mark, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors. Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, and our Bucal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa ating mga live audience dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin para dito sa napakagandang laban ng ACC and Ateneo.
At pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga viewers sa online world. Maraming salamat po for tuning in up until now sa laban na ito. Now, we're back on the ball game on the fourth and last quarter between Ateneo and ACC.
Now it's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Bongon now with the ball.
Tignan natin, Tin, kung malalamangan ng ACC etong Ateneo Golden Knights now. Aiming for three, no good on that.
Belano with that rebound. Heavily guarded here by jersey number 7 now. Sarmiento hawak ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now passes to Pilapil.
Medyo nahihirapan Tin ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights na makapuntos sa mga oras na ito dahil sa depensang ipinapakita ng ating ACC.
Now, ACC on the run. Bongon. Passes now. Serrano. That's good. Getting that point again and taking on the lead para dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Let's see kung mahabol ba yan ng ating Golden Knights now.
Now on the corner, Sarmiento. 15 seconds to shoot here. Nahihirapan dito. Passes now.
Aiming for three. That's good! 51-50 po ang ating nasa talaan at lamang ng isang puntos ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now ACC, what will they do? Nakuha muli ng ACC or ng Ateneo isang puntos na kalamangan. Jersey number 7 passes to jersey number 10. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Tries for 3.
No good on that. Now, Ateneo's basketball. Grabe yung 3 points na yon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's see kung ipapataas pa nila ang kalamangan ng kanilang koponan.
Pero turnover para dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Malapit-lapit na tayo sa ating oras. 2 minutes 59 seconds remaining sa ating last quarter.
Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Madrona.
Ganap.
Passes on the inside. Serrano!
Grabe! Grabe si Serrano, no? Siya yung member ng ACC na talagang nakaabang malapit sa ring para magkaroon ng puntos ang kanilang koponan. And no good on that. Grabe.
JC on the inside, but foul was whistled here. 51-52. A 1-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents.
Intense na intense ang nangyayari sa Adnu Gymnasium ngayong hapon. At ramdam na ramdam natin ang init na yan ngayong hapon dito. Now, we have Claro on the free throw line.
JC, first free throw, no good. Kanina pa to si JC na sumasablay sa ating free throw. And this is a chance for the Ateneo. Pero still, let's see. Claro to tie the game on 52 all. Second free throw.
That's good. We are locked to 52 dito sa ating fourth quarter. 2 minutes and 20 remaining. Grabe, ang dami pa talagang mangyayari sa 2 minutong ito ng laro natin ng ACC at Ateneo.
Madron now going inside, taking a shot, no good. Now chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights here as we are now down to the last 2 minutes of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Ito yung pinakamahalagang tanong ngayon, Tin. Magkakaroon ba ng overtime sa laro ng ating ACC at Ateneo o merong magwawagi sa huling quarter ng larong ito?
Now, Bongon with the ball. 52 all. Tries for 3. No good. Offensive rebound kay jersey number 10. Pero steal from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Pilapil nagmamadali. Loses the ball.
Now, ACC's basketball. Madrona to Bongon. Bongon was heavily guarded. Aiming for that 3. No good on that. And that's out of bounds.
The ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 52 all, a minute and 10 seconds remaining. Now substitution para dito. Mayor pabalik para sa ACC Green Serpents.
Mukhang natutuwa ngayon ang both teams na nanonood dito sa Adnu Gymnasium at sa mga nanonood sa ating online world because of that 52 lock score sa ating scoreboard.
Na Mayor. 5 seconds to shoot for the side of the ACC. Tries. No good.
Now Ateneo's basketball. Bautista.
Last 48 seconds remaining. Ateneo on the run now. 12 seconds to shoot. Papasok sa loob.
No good
Bautista.
No good on that. Now offensive rebound. Claro on that 2-point shot. Grabe. At tuwang-tuwa pa atin ang ating Ateneo community na nanonood sa atin ngayon dito sa Adnu Gymnasium. At meron pang free throws na matatanggap si Claro on that moment.
Now a 3-point opportunity for JC Claro. One bonus free throw, 54-52 with the remaining time of 35 seconds. So who will it be? Will it be the ACC Green Serpents or the Ateneo Golden Knights that will take home the win this afternoon? JC Claro, chance here for a 3-point play.
Let's see. No good on that. Now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Let's see. Dahil 2 puntos lamang ang kalamangan po ng ating Golden Knights.
Now on the inside.
That's good!
Napakaganda nun.
Grabe! At napatawag ng timeout ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We are locked to 54 on the exactly 19-second remaining sa ating laro ngayong hapon.
Now, Mark, grabe na yung mga fans ng
Oo.
ACC and Ateneo because nerve-wracking yung ating senaryo ngayon. 54 all. Low scoring tayo dahil napakaganda ng defensang pinakita nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito and we only have 19 seconds remaining. So, talagang hindi natin malaman will it be the ACC or the Ateneo. Quick replay lang tayo doon sa last shot ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
Ayan, grabe yung pinakita play na yon ng player mula sa ating ACC Green Serpents para maitabla sa 54 ang ating score. And now, mamaya po abangan ang laban ng Bescas versus USI after the game of Ateneo and ACC.
Now, Mark, this is the deciding ball possession. 54 all with only 19 seconds remaining. Now,
kanino kaya mapupunta yung bola ngayon?
now this is the ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And kapag nakuha nila yung kanilang puntos, the Ateneo will go home with a win. Pero if ma-steal and a foul from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, they have the chance here para makauwi ng panalo sa kanilang eskwelahan. Now, Bautista to inbound. Now passes to JC Claro with only 16 seconds to shoot here. Pilapil. What will they do? 6 seconds on their shot clock on the corner for 3. No
good. Now offensive rebound. No good again. Now 3 seconds remaining. And wow! We are locked to 54 sa larong ito. Grabe.
So we have an overtime mark. Another 5 minutes of this matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the Ateneo Golden Knights. 54 all. At hindi pa po tapos ang laban na ito para sa mga fans ng ACC at Ateneo. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang ating labanan ngayon dito. Kaya magbabalik po kami for more action sa ating overtime only here at Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now back dito sa Adnu Gymnasium sa tapatan ng Ateneo at ACC. We are now on the first overtime ng kanilang laban, 54. Nakalock po sa 54 ang ating score at this moment.
Yes, titignan natin dito sa overtime na to kung sino nga ba talaga yung mag-uuwi ng panalo. Dahil napakaganda nung naging fourth quarter natin. Palitan ng puntos ang ACC as well as the Ateneo hanggang sa nag-deadlock tayo sa 54 all. And now, another 5 minutes of action para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Now, ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Madraw na ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Going inside, passes on the corner. In and out ball para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents.
Now, Ateneo's basketball. Claro. Sarmiento rather. Sarmiento, pinasa kay jersey number 2, Bautista. Sarmiento. To Bautista for the 3. No good on that.
Medyo mahihirapan pa tayo dito, Mark, dahil we're still on the deadlock of 54 all. Now, it's the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Bongo now passes to jersey number 7. Back to Bongo. Now, Madrona tries for 3. That's
good!
Napakaganda.
Wow!
Unang puntos para sa ating overtime, para dito sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
At medyo nagiging intense na ating audience dito sa Adnu Gymnasium for the 3-point shot galing sa player ng ating ACC Green Serpents, Ateneo. No good on that. At para makahingi tayo ng update mula sa side ng ating ACC Junior Green Serpents, let's have our Courtside reporter, Ali. Ali, what's the update?
Well, thank you, Mark and Tin. The game is just getting fiercer as the Serpents go head-to-head with the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. The relentless spirit proved that they are supreme. With the remaining time, the Serpents are confident to take home the big win. That's the update here on the side of the Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, very determined itong ating ACC Green Serpents to take home this win against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And at this point, we are only on the 2 minutes and 57 seconds mark of our game and overtime ng ating Ateneo and ACC Green Serpents. And at this moment, nakapuntas muli itong ating Ateneo. Kaya naman talagang dikit ang laban ng ating dalawang kupunan. And to hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Liz. Hi Liz, any updates?
Bicolandia, mas painit nga ng painit ang labanan dito sa Ateneo de Sta University Gymnasium because we are now on the overtime after giving us a 54-all deadlock during the fourth quarter of the game. And now, we will about to witness who will bring home the first ever win this elimination round for Bucal Season 6. That's it for latest happenings here at the Courtside. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Liz, for that update sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And habang nagre-report ang ating Courtside reporter na si Liz, nabigyan tayo ni jersey number 19 of the ACC Green Serpents. That's Belardo ng 3 puntos na nakadagdag sa kanilang team. 60-56 ang ating nasa talaan.
Yes. 4 na kalamangan ang hawak ngayon ng ACC Green Serpents. If they really want to win this game, they need to be consistent. Don't be complacent and relax dahil nga yung mga tao sa paligid nila very intense na. And so the players needs to compose themselves and relax dahil we only have 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining para dito sa ating overtime.
And now, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. ACC have 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 14 to inbound. Now, Bongon, naghanap ng kakampi. Madrona for that 3. No good on that.
Now Ateneo's basketball. Chance here to lessen that gap. Pero hindi ka nang mawala dito. Pero an 8 seconds violation on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. So this is a big opportunity for the ACC Green Serpents to continue getting a point here. And really widen the gap against the Ateneo Golden Knights. We only have 140 seconds remaining.
Now, a couple of substitutions was made on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights now. Jersey number 7 to inbound. That's Vargas.
Na para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Serrano passes now to Mayor with only 3 seconds to shoot here. Pero an offensive foul was committed by Mayor. The lost opportunity for the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now chance here for the Ateneo Golden Knights to take on the light here. 56-60 still on our scoreboard.
Now, jersey number 8, Belano, passes to Sarmiento. However, a steal. Back-to-back steal ang nangyayari ngayon sa ating court. Now, Ateneo's ball. Aiming for that 3. No good on that. Now, ACC's ball.
A minute and 3 seconds remaining. ACC still on the lead of 4 points. Now, Mayor handling the ball for the side of the Green Serpents. Now passes to jersey number 7. 12 seconds to shoot on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Passes now to Bongon. Bongon, what will he do at this moment? Going inside.
No good on that.
Lost the opportunity again on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Sayang yon. Pero he will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. And this is still a chance for the ACC to have that gap against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And for our overtime, we only have 43 seconds remaining.
That's good for jersey number 17, Bongon, of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, last free throw shot. Let's see. Kumakadagdag ito sa puntos. No good on that. Sarmiento having that ball.
Great defense coming from the ACC. Now JC Claro. Free.
Claro.
Libreng-libre na sa baba para dito sa Ateneo. And the whistle foul again. 28 seconds remaining and the 3-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Pilapil back on the hard court for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
At ayaw magpatalo talaga ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At gusto nilang mauwi ang kampyonato for this game between ACC.
Now Mayor.
A whistle was given to jersey number 17 rather, of the Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now 58-61, 22 seconds remaining for our overtime. Still on the lead ang ACC Green Serpents. And an opportunity for them here. Bongon passes now to Mayor. Now to Madrona. Heavily guarded here by the Ateneo players. A whistle foul again here. 10 seconds.
A foul was given to Sarmiento of the Junior Golden Knights at mabibigyan ng 2 free throw shots ang ating ACC Green Serpents. We have Bongon on the free throw line. That's good.
4-point lead.
Let's see on this last free throw shot of Bongon. That's good.
And a timeout was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights dahil 58-63 na po. 5 puntos na hawak ng ACC Green Serpents and we only have 10 seconds remaining. And napakaganda nung ating change of momentum here dahil from the start, first quarter to fourth quarter, the Ateneo Golden Knights napakaganda nung pinapakita nilang performance. And now on the overtime, itong ating ACC Green Serpents, agad naman talagang kinuha yung momentum. And they're really willing to get this win against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
And now, let's see kung ano pang mangyayari sa natitirang 10.21 seconds na natitira on our first overtime. Back to the ball game. Again, abangan po ninyo ang susunod na laro. That's Bescas versus USI. Dito lang po yan sa Bucal Season 6. One Media TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Now back to the ball game. Ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 10 seconds remaining.
Ball possession ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. We have jersey number 8, Belano to inbound. Belano for the 3. No good on that. And an offensive rebound from Sarmiento. And a timeout. Nakatawag. Nagpatawag ng timeout ang ating ACC Green Serpents sa puntong ito because of that point gained by the Ateneo Golden Knights.
60-63, 3-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 4 seconds na lamang ang meron tayo, pero very important pa rin itong 4 seconds na to para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito. So, the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, but let's see kung ano nga ba yung mangyayari dito with 4 seconds para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok ng laban pong ito. And sa ating Ateneo fans and ACC fans na talagang andito pa rin po sa loob ng ating Intermission para suportahan po itong ating dalawang kupunan.
At pasalamatan din natin ang ating online world na nanonood pa rin hanggang ngayon para sa labang ito. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal at One Media TV 48 Naga. Now, back to the ball game.
Four seconds remaining for our overtime. 60-63. 3-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents.
Ngayon, ball possession ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And this will be the deciding time, the deciding part of this game. Will the ACC gain the win or the Ateneo?
And nakuha nga ng ACC ang puntos na yon. And that's the end of the overtime. 60-65, 5-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Napakagandang laban po ang ating nakita dito. Good fight between the Ateneo and the ACC Green Serpents. Pero sa aming pagbabalik po, makikilala na natin kung sino nga ba talaga ang nagbigay kulay sa ating ACC Green Serpents as the best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Power the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
The best player of the game is brought to you by Tigers Café, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Despite the huge gap to run, the Serpents were still able to take the lead and took the big win against the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. And one player showcased his relentless spirit inside the hard court, no other than jersey number 14, Junmar Madrona, with 22 points, 11 rebounds, and 3 steals. Hi, congratulations and good afternoon. Big win for the team. Syempre, despite the huge gap kanina, how does it feel that you were still able to win this matchup?
Gusto po namin makabawi kay coach kasi po ilang araw rin po kaming hindi nakapag-training.
Ngayon naman, how does it feel that you were still able to take home the win despite kanina natatalo yung inyong senior counterpart?
Ano po?
Syempre kanina talo yung seniors nyo. How does it feel na panalo kayo?
Masaya na gusto pang makabawi.
Of course, mabawi tayo. Syempre, best player of the game. Sino naman ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan at i-shout out?
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon dahil binigyan niya po kami ng lakas ngayong araw. Tsaka po, naway pagkaingatan niya po kami pakawi. Tsaka po, shoutout po sa sa pamilya po, kay Papa, sa mga kapatid ko po, tsaka sa girlfriend ko, kay Tita Elisa sa ibang bansa po, tsaka po sa mga seniors po namin, kay advance happy birthday kay Coach Badong at tsaka kay Coach Alter. At shoutout din po sa mga kaibigan ko, mga classmate ko, sa teammates ko po.
Thank you and congratulations once again. Now, this has been Eliza Faith Bethesda Respeto, courtside resident of Amando Copia College Green Serpents, only here in Bucal Season 6, One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 14, Junmar Madrona, with 22 big points, 11 rebounds, and 3 steals. Napakaganda ng performance na ibinigay ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents kontra sa Ateneo Golden Knights para sa ating overtime. And talagang swak na sulit po yung panonood ng ating live audience and live viewers sa ating mga Facebook pages.
At abangan nyo po ang susunod na laro, that's Biscas versus USI in the Seniors Division of Bucal Season 6. Again, I am Mark Christian Amante.
And I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes. Papanood po natin yan mamaya only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.